So yeah, Mahesh sir, I am very happy because I'm tried lots of time, but that time means you have no time, so that's why you do not join with us. Really, I am very happy. How are you, Mahesh sir?
Yeah, good sir. Thanks for your invitation. Actually, I need to give thanks because you give me chance to join with your
No,
team.
no, 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 sir.
Thanks.
It is my pleasure because you have a lots of idea and you means you doing working like a means very good means company. So really, sir, I am very happy and Chandan, Mahesh sir.
Mahesh sir,
Yeah,
I think before
Harish.
maybe I'm meeting first time. I think
Okay, no issue. Yeah. So
introduce.
yeah, Mahesh sir.
I think we can recognize if Mahesh sir will be show his video and photograph.
Okay, actually my internet connection is not stable. That's why I'm turn off my video. Okay,
Okay, okay,
let's
next.
see how it is going. Just wait.
Okay, I think I'm meeting first time to Mahesh sir.
Yeah, I am
Me
also
also.
seeing.
Yeah, yeah. Mahesh sir, he is like a very ordinary person and very helpful person because I know when I join like means English Institute, so that's time I face lots of problem. Like means how to speak and how to practice man thing because that time means I was too much worried about because I did not any idea. So really that times they give up lots of good thinking and good methods, and after that I apply every day. Uh, and really I got lots of good thinking, so especially thank you Vaishar.
Yeah, thanks both. Same to you, sir. Because you are also given opportunity to share your knowledge and like you are also supporting to improve my communication skills as
Yeah.
well. In not only in this communication field, you have given suggestions on other aspects like health habits, food items, everything. You have shared your knowledge. It's really helpful to me as well. Yeah, thanks.
Yeah,
If you
so
guys getting any noise from my side, or it is okay?
yeah, good.
Okay, no problem.
It's
No
Definitely.
okay.
problem.
It's okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
Mahesh sir, please give me self introduction because means I think each everyone know about means yourself. So please, first
Yeah,
of all,
okay.
you give me self introduction, and after that
Yeah.
means started convert. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Hi guys. Hi. Good evening, everyone. This is Mahesh. Actually, I am from Andhra Pradesh. I am from BTech background, engineering background. My graduation is completed in 2014. After that, I am started my career in networking field. I have total 3.5 years experience in networking domain. Currently, I am working for one of the client for US client as a network engineer. This is my profile, guys.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, Chandra sir, you have any questions? So you can ask Mahesh sir. I think you also
I
like
think
Yeah.
was
Chandan
doing.
sir, we have one conversation earlier. I think
Yeah. I think
we
that time
discussed.
maybe
Yeah,
I
yeah,
didn't see your video. I think, but yeah, so
yeah. We
many.
have discussed one time. Yes.
Yeah. We have to like so many video not open, so I'm not recognized. Yeah. And after a long time, so you are doing like what is it, networking?
I am doing as a network engineer.
Which company?
Mm. It's a Blue Arcus technology. It is a US based telecom provider. Same like Airtel, Vodafone, Idea. What they're doing here, same like it's an operator doing their operations in countries like New Zealand, Australia, and Asia Pacific regions. Actually, my company is offering telecom solutions for those Asia Pacific regions.
I think you. So you have to work in USA time, not
Yeah,
sometime. I
not
think.
only USA time, I need to work in 24/7. It's any networking company, not only my company, even Indian companies also, whatever telecom or networking companies, they need to provide 24/7 support because suppose if software employee and other production based company, they need to work in morning to evening at a particular timing is enough. but we are maintaining the network and we are maintaining their every setup. So we need to take care of them. So we need to available 24/7. So not only me, every network engineer is working as a 24/7. Is like a shift based. Mm, monthly means in my company it's shift timings change for every 10 days. Some companies it's like 1 week, some companies like it's 1 month, like that. It's
Rotational shift, I can understand.
yeah,
Okay, so
rotational shifts. Yes. Mm.
it's a three morning,
Yes,
evening, and
morning,
night.
evening, yes, nights. Yeah. Mm.
Night. Yeah, I know. It's a
What
8 8 hours.
yes, 8 hours.
I have little knowledge only. Yeah.
Mm.
So yeah, that's a good because every time sometimes you never get a call. I think someday because no network issue like that. But sometimes you
Mm.
get a lot of calls. So it's all about
Yes.
what the requirement of people. They are
Mm.
needed something. Someday doesn't any happen. Yeah, I can understand
Yeah,
that.
same, whatever. Yeah, same based on the
Because
customer issues. If it is getting issues, means we need to provide solutions within the
yeah.
time slot. We have agreed with the client based on the time slot to resolve customer issues.
So yeah, sometimes
Mm.
there is no issue in one day. Sometimes lots of issue to
Yeah,
so
yeah.
many
So,
people.
so the situation based on the how network, because it is entirely depends upon the satellite. Every network. Suppose in India, because it's a developed country, we have fiber facility for each and every region. But some countries like Asia Pacific regions, they don't have this much of population, so they didn't invest that much of money, same like India. Because India, US is these are China, because more number of populations they have, if they invest, they will automatically get the returns. But
Yeah.
small countries, suppose like West Indies, Nigeria, some African countries, it's not possible. So they're not ready to give lot of investments, because it will take lot of time to get back their investment. So they are based upon the satellite connections. So it's not direct dedicated connection. It's based on satellite. Satellite means, some weather condition is not good, something is happened, it is automatically issues are coming.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank
So,
And I think Rishabh sir, I think new first
yeah,
time I'll
yeah.
see.
So means I give up chance, Harish. Harish, you can ask
everyone. Yeah.
any types question. Rishabh, I think right now pursuing yeah, I think veterinary. Okay, like in MBBS type. Okay. So you can ask any question. Rishabh, unmute yourself.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone.
Yeah, Harish, unmute yourself.
Good evening, sir. Good
Evening.
evening, sir. Good evening. So, Rishabh, sir, would you like to introduce yourself? Because I think we are meeting first time.
Yeah, sure. Why not? Yeah, good evening, everyone. So myself, Rishabh Bodenia, and currently I am pursuing my veterinary degree from Indore Veterinary College, and I found this great opportunity to meet you all people, and so I thought I should grab this opportunity because uh, uh, Rabin sir is just in neighborhood in my town, so he told me about this wonderful opportunity that we teach English and you will get a chance to interact with so many people with they are holding a great post in their jobs. So I think it's a great opportunity and I should grab it. So I just grabbed the opportunity and today is my first day. So I was doing my some work. So he told me that I will send you the link and you can get in the meeting. So I think it's a great chance for all of us to interact and we should learn from each other. That's the best part about this meeting. So I would like to introduce myself. My name is Rishabh Budenia and I'm pursuing my veterinary degree from Indore. And I'm also a part, you can see in my name also, RTR Rishabh Rotary Club of Veterinary Science. So I'm also a part of a Rotary Club. What my club used to do is that we used to donate something to people who are needy or used to do some social work, but it's not a governmental organization, it's a private organization and I am a post holder of it. So we used to collect some amount and on some festival days or when the needy people are you know they are uh, they are just, they want help or anything. We used to do charity, you know, just a charity
Medical
type of.
help also. Medical
Yes,
help. Medical
yes,
help.
yes, yes,
Yeah.
medical help also. If in Indore there is MY hospital, so in MY hospital daily their patients are coming and they need help, like they need blood or they need any financial help, and we used to help them.
That's good. Yeah, really.
Great.
We do
Yes,
a lot
they
of
are
charity work,
doing
and
really
I
great job.
think it's a great opportunity to interact with all. And I think I can communicate in a better way because this is my first day, so I am a little hesitated and nervous to interact with you all because you all are new to me and I am also new to all of you. So we will keep interacting, keep communicating, and I know it will help me a lot in my career. And that's all.
So Rishabh, sir, how you are organizing all things like who, all like donation, and who is the operator of this?
Yeah. Okay, I will tell you
Who
a
is the
little bit more
founder?
about it. Yes. Okay. I will tell you a bit more about it. Actually, what Rotaract Club is all about. Rotaract Club is an organization which is spreaded in the world. It's just not about India. It's spread in the whole world. Okay. So small institutions are there in the whole world, including India, Afghanistan, Australia, England, West Indies. So it's spread in the whole world. In every country, there is a Rotaract Club. Okay. So Rotaract Club has small institution under it. So there is an institution in our college, in Veterinary College Indore. We have a Rotaract Club. Okay. So there is a head. One of my microbiology professor is the head of that Rotaract Club. And we have many
Yes.
posts. Like we have a post of president, which is the uh, uppermost post we can say in case of any boy or girl holding it. So president is the uppermost post, then it's secretary, then it's editor, then it's ISD. So there are many posts, and I am the co-editor of my Rotaract Club. So what we used to do is we have to first of all make a list of what we are going to organize in every month. For example, April is going on, so we have a complete list of what functions or what charities we are going to do in the month of April, and we used to collect those that amount, and we have to coordinate that in a proper manner. Am I properly audible?
Okay.
Yeah,
Rishabh,
Yes,
yeah,
yeah.
we
sir.
understand what you are saying. Yeah, it's a
Yeah.
really.
So
Some member also here, so I think means we have a no like a too much time. So this is our responsibility how to like means
okay.
give a proper time. Okay, Chandan sir, are you got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Sam, unmute yourself, and you have any experience about this platform, and you have any idea importance of English, so please share with us. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much
Yes,
for
Ravin.
giving me the opportunity.
Yeah.
So this is the second time I'm here in this platform, and this is a wonderful platform, I can say. And most of people are new, I can see. Chandan, I know. Ravindra and Rishabh and Ravindra is from my hometown, so I know them very well. And yes, this is a wonderful platform, you can say, and it is. You can say it is increasing, and its efficiency is day by day, right? And more people are contributing their knowledge and their experience.
Yes, Sam, please give me self introduction because Harish and Mahesh are new, so please give me self
Okay, no
introduction.
problem. So my name is Sham Saraiya. I am basically from Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, and right now I'm in Bangalore doing. I am working in a hotel, Ritz Carlton, as a finance manager. I completed my MBA in 2012 from Jaipur National University, Jaipur. After that, I joined hotel industry as an account assistant, and my job is to manage the finance in the hotel operations. So this is what I do.
yeah, I
Okay,
remember. Yeah.
okay. Yeah, Hema also here. Hema. Yeah, Hema, please give me self introduction, and you have any question, any like a doubt means about English language, how to learn like English language and how to practice. So please you can ask any type of question. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Firstly, I would like to thank sir to give me this opportunity. My name is Hema Yadav. I'm from Indargarh. I have done my I have done DLED and also BSc. Now I'm doing MA. Yes, so I want to ask. I have a question. How can I improve the habit of speaking English? So Rishabh sir, can you please explain? I want to.
Yeah, Mahesh sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's a nice question, Hema. First of all, I would like to thank you, Hema, for giving me this opportunity to tell you more about how to improve the vocabulary. Okay. So first of all, okay. Any other question?
Yeah. मतलब you I think I want to ask. I don't read book. Then it is I think harmful for learning English.
Okay, I'll
Actually,
tell you.
first of all, I would like. Okay. Okay, please continue.
So, yeah, if you want to learn English, so first you have to speak a lot. If you speak a lot, so you will get a confidence, and more speaking, so you will get confidence. After a few months, you will get fluency. Okay, and for that you should have a good vocabulary, set of vocabulary. So for that vocabulary, you have to read a lot books. As Ravinder sir knows that. So I'm reading. I have a lots of book. I'll show you like. It's a visual or not. I'm reading lots of books, so that's why they enhance my vocabulary. I'm just remove my background. Yeah, so many books I have. Think and Grow Rich. Yeah, and other book also, how to memorize anything. So read a book, not early, just means not a speed. In 1 month one book or 2 months one book, you can start very slow. Don't be too hurry, so you can improve your language. But because English is just a tool to communicate with people, it's a not a, like any skills like that. It's a tool or language. Okay, so this is the only way to improve your English. And I'll doing last only 40 days till I'm doing. I think in 40 days I'll learn a lot. Yeah, that's the
Okay.
only thing.
Okay. Yeah.
That's great. Chandan sir told a great thing, but I would like to add a little bit more. That you can read book. It's great, and I would like to add a little bit that you can see the movies, like Hollywood movies, because it contains English, and I think it will help you in improving your vocabulary.
Okay, thank you, Rishabh sir.
Yeah. And try to watch some TEDx video, YouTube with the subtitles, so you can learn from that also. And yeah, movie also, TV series. Like I'm also watching. Currently, I'm watching Silicon Valley. It's a series, TV series. It's English with subtitle. So yeah, that's also going to help you.
Yeah.
And try
I'm
to,
also trying my best, and I'm seeing videos like on a YouTube, and I think now I'm developing. When I came here, I was very weak in English, but in some days I am improving, and I find myself I am speaking well.
confident. Yeah, it's all about you have to put your time, give your time to improving everything. Okay.
Okay.
So
Madhvi
any other
Sharma.
question?
Yeah. Madhvi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Madhvi, you can ask any type question. Mahesh sir new and Chandan sir also. So please, you can you have any idea means doubt you have face any problem means about English language and other thing. So you can ask any type question. Okay. Yeah, Mahesh sir.
Yeah, sure.
Sir,
Yeah, I will
yes, sir. Sir, how can I improve? How can I remove my hesitation to speak in English? Because I can speak little bit, but I can hesitate too much. That's why. How can I remove it?
Yeah.
Okay. So hesitation. Okay. So first of hesitation, first you try to speak. Like if we have a fear to something, so try and go and face the things. Anything, like I have a fear to water, means I'm an example. I have a fear of height, so go to the height and just face it. Same like English, you have to just don't afraid about, just you have to speak with someone, you have a colleague or anyone there is a one people, you can speak with him or her, and for at least 30 minutes, 1 hour. I'll every day talk more than 3 to 4 hours with friends, with the DNA classmates. Haris can know me. I'll talk a lot in Zoom meeting, conducting and voice calls only. That's why in last 40 days I improved my this stuff. So this is the only, and hesitation comes to everyone. In me also, I've done my 12th intermediate in totally Hindi medium, and when I come to college it's a totally English medium, so I'll give myself time 1 to 2 years, then I'll going to speak like that. So hesitation comes, remove only when you face the hesitation, or try to speak the language. This is the only solution. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, correct. I am also agree with the Chandan points. Yeah, it is a difficult. We are not native speakers. Whenever not only it is any new language, not only English. Whenever we need to speak, we need to learn new language. It is a difficult. We have hesitation. We have fear, everything in mind. But we need to set our mind to focus on that particular language, or we need to feed our mind to just we have to concentrate either it is good or bad, no problem. If we are doing mistakes or it's not a problem, better we can give some time. It will take time, it will take 2 years, 3 years, more than 5 years also, but we are giving little bit time to speaking with somebody and reading some articles. We need to give more time to spend with that English environment, not only like speaking. We have to just read any books, like little novel books, anything. You just read it, and you have to spend your maximum time. You need to avoid that regional watching regional videos. Better to watch any English videos, and little bit try to speak at least 10 minutes. So first day start with 10 minutes to speak with anyone, friends or anyone, unknown person also, it's good, no problem. After that, it slowly it will improve. First it will take time. Any habit, not only English learning, anything, any new habit need to take, it will take time initially. Once it will become habit, it automatically improves. First we need to concentrate at least 1 month or 2 months. We need to give time, then after it automatically improves. Yeah, same. I am also same. I have also vernacular medium. Till just same like my 12th standard. I am also never know that English language. Everything is goes on my vernacular medium. After my completion, my graduation, after doing also in my job also, I didn't realize that English importance. So I spent almost 2 to 3 years. After that only I realized we need to learn English language to communicate with others. It's definitely important nowadays. So now I realized last 3 months onwards, I am spending same like I started around December 20th onwards. I am starting this learning new English language. Initially it's difficult for me as well, but it's important. We need to feed continuously our mind. We need to learn, so we need to give time. We need to become discipline. Consistency is important. Some initially it will difficult, but it's a requirement. We need to adjust our mindset. One quotation I will tell you. Actually, I am reading one book. Actually, this book also helped me a lot. uh, if you want successful, first we need to become uncomfortable ourselves.
Yes, sir.
Then only we can get
Yeah,
results.
yeah,
Great.
yeah.
Point.
Yes, sir.
First we need to become uncomfortable, then only anything will get comes into our life. Hmm.
Yeah, really, Mahesh sir, I am
Thank you,
also
sir.
agree with because I know means and really, sir, because sir, I am also like means take means on Zoom meeting. I think within 20 day, I had a complete. Okay, sir, only 20 day. Okay, sir, I had a complete, and after that, when I joined all kinds of my girls and boys. They means that I'm too much worried about. They can not proper means give up our like self protection. But only within 20 days, like they can ask the question and other things. So I think I'm also like told about every day. I think if you want to learn English language, so first of all you take a time. time is very important. And initially means if you start any types means thinking, start learning, if you not only English but also any kind of activity. Means starting time means first of all you take a time and you have a patience. So both are, I think, you develop, and after that you do practice. Practice is very important. Yeah, I think I am also like to log every day. If you want to learn English language fluency, you get fluency. So first of all you need such a good habits. If you wanted means our life, it means we become a good person. So first of all it is your responsibility how to improve all kind of activity, like means knowledge and communication skills, and after that if you do means read everyday book and means talk with buddy, so after that automatically you get confidence, your means grow our knowledge. So this is like a basic in my opinion. So yeah, really Maheshwar and Chandan, I agree with you. And I am, sir, also like a give up same thinking every day, means I am told about every person. So I think they also like means get a little bit confidence, and like it means a little bit nervousness, decrease, all kind of good thinking. Yeah. Yes, Sam, you have any ideas? Please you share with us, because I
Yes,
know.
yes, yes. I
Yeah,
just want to say that, lady, that
yeah,
you already break that, you already remove that fear, because
yes,
you are at that platform and you are contributing in that and sharing and asking the questions related to your communication or related to English speaking. That means you already removed your hesitation, right? So be confident. And first thing, that we actually, we as a human, we live in a certain kind of bubble, right? Bubble or zone, you can say. So if you want to be a successful, if you want to achieve something, you have to be uncomfortable, right? Very nice, very
yeah,
truly said.
yeah,
Right. So first you have to be more participative, and first, when we start doing something, our body start resisting that thing. If we start walking, if we start running, 1 or 2 days our body start resisting that thing,
yes,
and
yes,
body will pain. And after 1 week, that body become habitual to and accepting the things, your stamina will increase. Same thing happen with this English speaking as well. When you
yeah,
start participating, when you start thinking every time, then you will become, I can say, you when you start thinking, you it will come in your mind every time when you start participating in the English. It
yeah,
is not that big a thing. And or and another part is, you have to study, you have to recite the things, you have to recite the phrases, you have to learn the new vocabulary that will give the finishing to your English speaking.
yes, yes, yeah, yeah.
So for that you have to practice. Give some times to yourself. That should be your me time with the English speaking, and just recite every day.
Yes, yes. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, true. Yeah, Chandan sir, you have a time, so please you can ask any types question, because my colleagues also here. I think
Yeah,
they
I
get
want
little
to
bit
Pawan
confidence,
sir
but
and Kuldeep sir.
yeah,
Hello.
Ye-
Kuldeep sir and Pawan sir. So yeah,
Yes, good
so
evening, sir.
Chandan sir,
Good
you have
evening,
a
sir.
lots
Good
of
evening. Good evening.
experience,
And good evening, all
so
of
I
you.
give up this responsibility. So please you manage all kind.
So yeah, so okay, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay,
Yeah, Kuldeep
anyone.
sir, Kuldeep, you can ask any type of question. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I am Kuldeep Tomar. I am from Gwalior. I have complete BSc in Jivaji University, Gwalior. And
Okay.
and sir, my I have two questions.
Okay.
Sir, when I read book, any someone books, how should you read the book so that get more benefit? मतलब, uh, uh,
Okay.
which types I read book? And
Okay.
and second
So,
question, I I don't have I don't have thoughts in English. How will they come? How will they come? Thoughts in my mind. How? It's my
okay.
question.
So how many book have you read before related to, not related to course, other book like self-help book, non-fiction, fiction, like that? How many books have you read before?
Sure.
Have you read before any book?
Yeah, yeah.
So,
I have a book. As I am studying for Madhya Pradesh Sub Inspector Police. Then I have a English grammar book. So given
no.
unseen passage.
Grammar,
So
okay,
read.
listen. Grammar, we also learning from childhood. Okay, listen. So grammar not going
Oh,
to help you. Just read some. Start with a
no,
storytell
no.
book. Okay,
All
very basic book. Start with easy.
I
Yeah.
reads.
Yes.
I reads only unseen passage.
You read only.
I reads only unseen passage. Unseen passage. Comprehensive.
No. You should
Story type.
read story type. Yeah. So when you
Yeah,
didn't
yeah.
read, so how you can got a thought, uh, and that is the English thought. It's not going to. So read a lot. You will get a thoughts, and you will communicate easily. Okay. So read a lot. Okay. That's the only way. Book.
Yes, yes, yes.
And first off, don't try to do early. Hurry. Means I will learn 1 month, 2 months. Give yourself time. I think it's a lifelong learning process. It's a not a 1 year,
Yes,
2 year. You have to every day you can improve yourself. So give at least 6 months, 7, 8 months, then you will do. But you know what happened? Like I can make a body within 1 month. So this type of thinking not going to help him, and they have to demoralize because they didn't achieve the within few day or 1 month like that. So give some large distance, large, means at least 3 months, 6 months, so you will get a benefit. 1 month, 2 months, you're not going to get a, means you will change it tiny, but you feel that you I'm not getting a help, so you leave that. So give to some 6 months like that. That's the only way.
Okay. Yeah. Pawan, you have
okay.
any question,
Thank you.
any doubts? So please, you also can ask Chandan sir and other person. Yeah, Pawan sir.
Yes. Thank you. Yes. Thank you, Ravindra sir. Good evening, all of you. Myself, Pawan Sharma. I am living in Gwalior. I complete BCA in Punjab Technical University and JSDS College, Gwalior. And sir, Chandan sir, my one question is very simple. I am not confirmation any meanings. So some hard meanings are not comfortable and not translate in English. So some my is big problem, and not a noun pronouns. I will, shall, do it, and not a proper subordinate in other translation and other
So
means
yeah.
type. I gave and I did, and not a complete noun and pronouns to translate any sentence.
Okay,
No
I got
proper.
your point. Okay, listen. I got your point. You have a less vocabulary. Okay, and
Yes.
you feel like your grammar is bad. Okay, not well. So first of all, stop thinking about grammar, because when you start speaking, so slowly, automatically you can improve grammar, because in mind also subconscious mind come that yeah, this word is not suitable, so I'm doing wrong. So so first of don't think about grammar, and you saying that vocabulary. So our daily conversation we can only use 1,000 to 2,000 vocabulary. If you learn 2,000, so it's enough for normal basic conversation. Or if you know 5,000, So you are a very, you cannot, it's a very high level of advanced level of speaker. And if you like 10,000, so it's a enough. It's a native, like a native speaker. So you need to just learn 1,000 words. If you have 1,000 to 2,000 words, so you have a very basic communicator, basic conversationalist. So, and don't focus about grammar. My sir also said that don't focus on grammar, because after speaking a lot, because you know grammar comes in the subconsciously your mind. Don't, if you think that I have to use shall or should like that, so not going to help you.
Yes.
So don't think about grammar. Everyone will do. Okay.
Yes.
So
Thank you, sir.
Yes, correct,
Thank
sir.
you,
okay, sir. It's 9 o'clock. I have a class.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
thank
yeah.
you so much to interacting with us.
Okay, okay, Chandra
Very,
sir.
very thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Sachin.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Both.
Bye.
Okay,
Bye.
okay, okay.
Bye.
Yeah, I think 1 minute after meeting also is over, because we had complete 40 minutes something. Okay. Yeah, Madhvi ji, you have any question, and Hema and Nidhi also here. So you can ask any type of question, Mahesh sir and Shyam sir. Yeah, continue. Madhvi?
Sir, I
Yeah,
have no
okay.
question.
Yeah.
Okay. I will conclude the topic. Hi everyone. Yeah, thanks. Actually, here everyone came to improve our communication skills.
Yes.
Our agenda to learn English communication skills. Everyone on the same stage, but some are in before, some are back, and everyone is on the same race. But what our focus is first is just I am also same, started 3 months back only. So I am also started from starting point. Now I am in a little bit forward compared to